And breaking news coming in, there is no pollution debate in the parliament today amid the ruckus. Unruly opposition forces suspension of the House. The Speaker has cancelled the pollution debate, slamming unruly opposition for the decision. The pollution debate, which was supposed to happen for 4 hours today, has now been postponed due to the uproar over the G Ramji bill. Pollution debate in the Lok Sabha is now likely to be held tomorrow as the House has been suspended for now. Aishwarya Paliwal is joining me live on this story. Aishwarya, pollution is a big problem for all of Delhi NCR and for the country, but in Parliament, it is politics all the way. Aishwarya.
Well, definitely, Anisha, what we were hoping for, and this is exactly what even we were told, that once the G Ramji bill is passed, then there will be a short, under Rule 193, a short discussion of 4 hours in which the Environment Minister, at the end of which the Environment Minister, Bhupendra Yadav, will then be responding. From the opposition, it was Priyanka Gandhi Vadra who was supposed to speak. From the BJP, it was Masuri Swaraj. So all these people were all geared up to give facts and figures with regard to the pollution. But what we saw actually when Shivraj Singh Chauhan was speaking, the opposition, some of the MPs from the opposition side, they actually tore the pages and they were then flinging all those pages up in the air. So this is exactly what the government has been saying, and the Speaker has been saying, that you have been given a seat, you are an MP, not so that you can do these kind of things, not so that you can tear these papers and fling them in the air, but so that you can raise the issues. We understand that there is a possibility there could be a discussion tomorrow, but tomorrow is the last day. So at the moment, it seems highly unlikely. Chances are slim that we could see a debate taking place on pollution, but at the moment, from what we are understanding, the Lok Sabha has been adjourned, and in the Rajya Sabha, it will be the BDG Ramji bill which will be taken up for the passing today. So
Well,
no
yes,
pollution debate
Aishwarya,
as of
stay on with me.